Welcome back to The Power Within. Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful tools you can use to tap into your personal strength: goal setting. There's nothing quite like the feeling of accomplishing something you set out to do. When you achieve a goal, no matter how small, it sends a message to yourself: I am capable. I am in control. I have the power to make things happen. Setting and crushing goals doesn't just give you a sense of accomplishment. It transforms your mindset, boosts your confidence, and builds momentum for even greater achievements. It's a way to channel your focus and energy into something that propels you forward, helping you unlock more of your potential every day. The key to successful goal setting is to start small and build from there. It can be tempting to dive into big, ambitious goals right away, but that can often lead to overwhelm. The secret is to pace yourself. You don't have to climb the whole mountain in one day. You just need to take one step at a time. Each small win builds on the last, creating a powerful ripple effect that strengthens your confidence and ability to handle larger challenges. Think of your goals as a staircase. Each small step you take gets you closer to the top. You don't need to rush. The process matters just as much as the outcome. When you focus on manageable, realistic goals, you're more likely to stick with them and experience consistent progress, and that progress will fuel your motivation to keep going. One of the most effective ways to set goals is by using the SMART method. You may have heard of it before, but let's break it down again because it's such a powerful tool for staying on track. Number 1, be specific. Your goal should be clear and well defined. Rather than saying, I want to be healthier, a specific goal would be, I will exercise for 20 minutes 3 times a week. Number 2, measurable. You need to be able to track your progress. For example, if your goal is to write a book, set a measurable milestone like 500 words per day. Number 3, achievable. Make sure your goal is realistic and within your reach. Setting yourself up for success is key to maintaining momentum. Number 4, relevant. Your goal should matter to you and align with your bigger picture. Ask yourself, how does this goal contribute to my personal growth or happiness? And number 5, time bound. Give yourself a deadline. Having a time frame creates urgency and helps you stay accountable. By using the SMART method, you break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps that feel achievable and within your control. And here's the most important part: celebrate every step forward. Each small victory is a reminder of your progress, reinforcing that you are capable of achieving what you set out to do. Now, let's reinforce today's lesson with a few powerful affirmations. These statements will help you align your mindset with your ability to set and achieve goals. As you repeat them, either aloud or in your mind, feel the energy and confidence they bring into your being. I set clear, meaningful goals, and I achieve them. I know exactly what I want, and I take deliberate steps to make my goals a reality. Each small step I take brings me closer to my dreams. I don't rush the process. I trust that each small action builds momentum and brings me closer to my bigger aspirations. I am focused, determined, and persistent. I stay committed to my goals, even when the path feels challenging. My determination drives me forward. I am capable of achieving great things. I believe in my ability to succeed. I have the strength, the knowledge, and the resilience to accomplish anything I set my mind to. I celebrate my progress, no matter how small. Every step forward is a step towards success. I honor and appreciate my efforts, knowing that each win, no matter the size, is important. Take a deep breath and let these affirmations sink in. Feel the confidence that comes from setting clear goals and moving steadily toward them. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, and every small achievement brings you closer to the life you envision. Remember, this is just the beginning. Goal setting is a skill, and like any other skill, it gets stronger the more you practice. Start small, build on your successes, and use the SMART method to guide you along your way. And celebrate every accomplishment, no matter how small, because each victory is a step towards something greater. Thank you for joining me today on The Power Within. If you found this episode helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this message. And remember, the power of change lies in the small, consistent actions you take every day. So start today. Set your goals and let your habits lead you to a brighter, more fulfilling future.